On this page, we will see the general settings of your web TV. You can change the playlist type between loop playlist and scheduled playlist in playlist mode. Below, you can set the time zone your playlist will adhere to for playback times. If your plan includes the domain whitelist tool, you can enter the sites where your player can be played in this section. This is a security tool that prevents others from inserting your player on different websites without your permission. Any other domain that is not whitelisted here will not be able to play your player. To include your website, type in your domain and hit Add. To cover all subdomains of your site, type an asterisk, a period, and your domain. Click the X to remove a domain.